Okay, proof that, you know what, my life isn't as boring as some people's lives, apparently.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
A new survey has found that nearly a third of people surveyed said that, yes, doing laundry is the highlight of my week.
Nope. I am not in that 1/3.
45% said that grocery shopping
Nope.
is the highlight of their week.
Nope. But I got to tell you, I love food, so I don't hate the grocery store, but it is not the highlight of my week.
35% of people say filling up their gas tank now gives them a thrill like never before.
How? Have you seen the price of gas? No. Yeah, it's a thrill, all right. It's right to the heart and the checkbook. No.
And 55% of people plan to go on the longest vacation of their life once it's safe to travel again.
Well, okay, I'm not mad at that last stat. I think anybody who has time accrued or has been able to set aside some of their money from stimulus or tax return or any of that, if you have the wherewithal to do it, I say rock on with your bad self. And I'm quite sure our friends in southeastern Ontario right now are counting down the days till that lockdown is done so they can go do something somewhere else other than their house, which is where so many have been restricted to.
Yeah.
Not the fun, y'all.
Laundry.
No.
Going to the grocery store and pumping gas is the highlight of their life.
No.
That's how bad it is.
Y'all, if that's a highlight, give us a call. We will give you something else to look forward to. I swear to goodness. I really do.
More info about this now. Yes FM Facebook, Twitter at 967 Yes FM, and the Emergency Money page at yesfm.com.